The AK-12, Avtomat Kalashnikova, 2012 is a Russian gas-operated assault rifle chambered at 5.45 x 39 mm. Gas operation is a system of operation used to provide energy to operate locked breeches, auto-loading firearms. In gas operation, a portion of high-pressure gas from the cartridge being fired is used to power a mechanism to dispose of the spent case and insert a new cartridge into the chamber. Energy from the gas is harnessed through either a port in the barrel or a trap at the muzzle. This high-pressure gas impinges on a surface such as a piston head to provide motion for unlocking of the action, extraction of the spent case, ejection, cocking of the hammer or striker, chambering of a fresh cartridge, and locking of the action. This rifle is designed and manufactured by the Kalashnikov Concern, making it the fifth generation of Kalashnikov rifles. The 5.45 mm AK-12 Kalashnikov assault rifle is a modern service rifle of the Russian Army and other military and security forces. It provides higher combat efficiency, mission flexibility, and fire accuracy within a wider range of distances. Kalashnikov Concern also offers a variant of the AK-12 chambered at 7.62 x 39 mm, known as the AK-15, due to the request of the Russian military. Caliber, 5.45 mm. Ammunition, 5.45 x 39 mm. Empty weight, 3.5 kilograms. Sighting range, 800 meters. Magazine, 30 rounds. Let's see the variants. The variant of AK-12 has a barrel length of 415 millimeters, a maximum firing range of 800 meters, and a standard magazine capacity of 30 rounds. The variant of AK-12K is a short-barreled variant. The variant of AK-12 SP is a standard length barrel and AK-12 SPK is a short-barreled variant. The AK-12 SP and AK-12 SPK have excluded the two-round burst mode. The AK-12 SP features lower and upper aluminium upper handguard gas tube covers with M-lock slots for direct accessory attachment onto the negative space mounting points. The short-barreled AK-12 SPK features an AK-12 pattern lower handguard with an aluminium upper handguard gas tube cover that has M-lock slots. The variant of AK-15 is a variant of the AK-12 chambered at 7.62 x 39 mm. The AK-15 weighs 3.5 kilograms when empty, has a full length of 940 mm, a barrel length of 415 mm, a barrel twist rate of 265 mm, and a standard magazine capacity of 30 rounds. The variant of AK-15 is a short-barreled variant of the AK-15. The variant of AK-15 is a variant of the AK-12 chambered at 5.56 x 45 mm upon the request of potential international clients. This A-15 has an L-shaped stock, a redesigned pistol grip and trigger guard, and a new rotary diopter rear sight. The AK-19 also features a birdcage-type flash suppressor that features slots for a quick detachable sound suppressor. The rifle weighs 3.5 kilograms when empty, has a barrel length of 415 mm, a full length of 935 mm, and uses a proprietary 30-round magazine.